Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add your Chase debit card to Amazon. This is essential for making purchases on the platform and ensures a smooth checkout experience whenever you shop. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in properly so you can access all your account settings. Now move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account dashboard where you can manage various settings and preferences. Next, look for Your Payments and click on it. This section is where Amazon stores all your payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and other payment options you've linked to your account. It's the central hub for managing how you pay for your purchases. Once you're in the Your Payments section, you'll see a button that says Add a Payment Method. Click on this to start adding your Chase debit card. This action will open up a new screen with different payment options you can choose from. On the next screen, select Add a Credit or Debit Card. Even though you're adding a debit card, Amazon groups both types together in this section. Clicking this will bring up a form where you'll enter your card details. Now it's time to fill in your card information. Start by entering your Chase card number in the field provided. Make sure you type it carefully to avoid any errors. After that, enter your name exactly as it appears on the card. This ensures Amazon can verify your card properly. Next, you'll need to enter the expiration date of your card. You'll typically find this on the front of your Chase debit card. After the expiration date, enter the security code, which is usually a 3-digit number located on the back of your card. This code adds an extra layer of security to your transactions. Finally, once all your information is entered correctly, click Add Your Card. Amazon will process the information and add your Chase debit card to your account. You might need to wait a moment while the system verifies everything. And that's it. Your Chase debit card is now linked to your Amazon account and ready to use for any future purchases. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.